that is huge demand for a second weekend because I had it open the previous Sunday and we had about 40 families through. So I wasn't expecting that many this weekend. So there is an uptick of demand for housing. A lot of the buyers that I talked to in the open house, they're coming back into the market. They weren't able to find anything last year and they're pretty exhausted and they need to buy. So it's going to be a critical turning point for them to make offers. Hello everybody, I'm Debbie Giordano of Master Brokers. Welcome to our weekly update. We're well into the month of January. So today's video will be about interest rates. I'd like to talk about the open house that I just had this past weekend, the tremendous amount of activity there, and then some great properties that are on the coming soon list that will be rolling out here in the next few months. So interest rates. Well, there's been some volatility in the stock market, but it's actually translated into lower interest rates. Again, today is inauguration day. We have a new president. There may be some new economic policies in place. We honestly don't know where that's going to fare out with the interest rates and how the economy is going to respond to that. But our area is pretty resilient. We are driven here, our home prices, our demand is driven by the stock market and the high-tech industry that we have here. So I think we're pretty resilient for what goes on in the rest of the country, and I'm predicting a wonderful 2025 for real estate. If you're a seller, getting your home ready for this incredible market is a very smart thing to do. So I'm available to do that. Let's talk about open house, so demand, buyer demand. This was the second weekend I had open for 1697 Big Bend Drive in Milpitas. It's in the heart of Parktown area, which is an older, established neighborhood, but well preserved. Usually performs very, very well. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. It shows very clean. If you look at the videos online on my website, the price point is $1,598,888. So that price point brought in 35 families on Saturday, and then yesterday on Sunday we had another 30 families through. So that is huge demand for a second weekend because I had it open the previous Sunday and we had about 40 families through. So I wasn't expecting that many this weekend. So there is an uptick of demand for housing. A lot of the buyers that I talked to in the open house, they're coming back into the market. They weren't able to find anything last year and they're pretty exhausted and they need to buy. So it's going to be a critical turning point for them to make offers. And I think for a seller, you're going to be in a great position and spot to get those multiple offers and get the highest priced for your property. So that's very, very good news. So let's talk about what we got coming up. Oh my goodness, I've got working with some great sellers, great properties coming up. So let's talk about 390 Monmouth Drive in Milpitas. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 1,775 square feet, single-story home. It does need updating, but it's a great floor plan in a great neighborhood. Price point $1,698,888. So stay tuned. Let you know about that one in a couple months. And then 1908 Grand Teton Drive in Milpitas. That's also in Parktown, but it's that one street along St. Elizabeth's Church with the court at the end and the park. The ambiance of the street is very, very nice. It's a little wide. The homes are well cared for. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, single-story home. Ranch style is what we call that. It's clean, it's nice, it's neat. Like I said, a great neighborhood. About 1,700 square feet total. And we've got that at $1,975,000 for the price point, looking to get that on the market in March. And then 1305 Sunrise Way in Milpitas. That's in the heart of the Pines area. I've had a few sales last year in the Pines. It's been a very good area for resale value. This one is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a separate family room. Some very recent updates. The kitchen's very, very nice in this property. And laminate flooring, new windows. It's going to be really great. So the seller is getting my truck this Thursday. and moving out some of his things, and then we'll get the property cleaned out and then staged up and ready for the market. So that one I'm looking around March 1st for that property. And by the way, that's a great price point, $1,498,888. And then I've got 2140 Sepulveda Avenue coming up. It's in the Foothill Estates. If you know where that area is at, it's up near the foothills, just like the district talks about Foothill. And it's up near Yosemite Drive. Really an awesome, awesome neighborhood. This particular home, the seller added 600 square feet to the property just a few years ago. It's a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2,500 square foot total. And so with the addition of the 600 square feet, they went through and remodeled everything. You got new windows, new roof, new flooring. It's just an amazing, amazing property. Huge kitchen with an island. That's all new. So that was all done around 2021 on that property. So it looks like a brand new home. And that's located in a very, very nice area up there, very quiet. Price point on that is $2,498,888. We're looking to get that staged around mid to end of March. So I'm looking about April 1st on that property to start showing. So stay tuned to future videos and I'll let you know when that one will be available. That'll be a nice one to come to and visit too. And then I'm really excited about this one. It's in the Scott Creek Highlands area in Milpitas. That's up near the foothills. And this is an area where the builder built 10,000 square foot lot homes. So they're on the minimum 10,000 square foot lots. And if you know how large that is, it puts a lot of airspace between the homes and the properties. This particular one is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,690 square foot. And the lot size is a little, like I said, a little over 10,000 square feet. Huge master bedroom with a fireplace. It's been well maintained by the owner. And the address is 2213 Stratford Drive in Milpitas, $2,698,888. That won't be ready for at least about 60 to 75 days on that property. The current occupants are going to be moving out, and then we'll stage that up and get that ready. But that should be a really, really amazing property. By the way, that has a 3-car garage, and it's got a very nice front yard and really has a nice feel to it. So also, last but not least, I want to talk about my townhome. We're waiting for that one for the current owners to move out. That's in downtown San Jose, 522 South 22nd Street, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, and it's priced at $1,198,888. So great property, great list price, 2-car garage, great little neighborhood, and I'll let you know about that one. So I'm going to be very, very busy, but not too busy to talk to you if you want to get your home ready for this amazing market. I have a great team in place. I have cleaners. I have haulers that will haul things away. I have recommendations for movers. I have a handyman that can do, I have a painter. So whatever you need, we will do that. And actually, they will bill the escrow. So if you don't have the money up front to pay them, we can take care of that at the end of the escrow when everybody else gets paid. So give me a call, 408-945-8988 or giordanodj@aol.com, or better yet, visit my website, debbiegiordano.com. You'll get to see how I present the properties. I do have a Master Brokers Team tab to the left on that website, and you'll see about a 3.5-minute video that describes the people that I work with to make a successful transaction. So give me a call. It's never too late to get going for this amazing spring market in 2025. And we'll talk to you then, and see you next week. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.